Do you want to cancel your Kindle Unlimited membership? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: go to your memberships and subscriptions and sign into your Amazon account. Under the memberships settings, select Cancel Kindle Unlimited Membership. Select Cancel Membership. Your membership remains active until the next billing date. After the billing date passes, you lose access to content that you have checked out. And there you have it, the method to cancel Kindle Unlimited membership. We hope the method has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.